in triangle ABC, if B plus C is equal to 3A, show that cot B by 2, cot C by 2 is equal to 2. I am starting the question now. It is given here that B plus C is equal to 3A. We have to show cot B by 2, cot C by 2 is equal to 2. I start now. Formula cot B by 2, S into S minus B by delta. Cot C by 2, S into S minus C by delta. I quote the formula here, please see. Cot A by 2, S into S minus A by delta, cot B by 2, S into S minus B by delta, S into S minus C by delta. I am combining because there is a multiplication sign here. Please note carefully. S square, S minus B, S minus C by delta square. S square, S minus B, S minus C, delta square you know. S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, no under root because this is squared. Delta square, S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. After cancellation of all this, we are left with only S by S minus A. Please see here, S square here, S here, one S is cancelled, S minus B is cancelled, S minus C is cancelled, so S by S minus A. Or may I write 2S by 2 times S minus A, multiplying numerator and denominator by 2. 2S by 2 times S minus A. And you know 2S is A plus B plus C. And you also know 2 times S minus A is minus A plus B plus C. In the beginning of this chapter, we have given you 2S is equal to A plus B plus C notation. 2 times S minus A is minus A plus B plus C. I am proceeding. B plus C is given as 3A. Using number 1, B plus C as 3A, B plus C as 3A again. So numerator is 4A, denominator is 2A, that is 2. This is the end of this question. Solving that question, please see. This is given. Sin square A by 2, sin square B by 2, sin square C by 2 are in harmonic progression. Sin A by 2, there is a formula S minus B into S minus C by BC under root sin A by 2. I want to write here, though not necessary. See here. Under root. So sin square A by 2 will not have that root sign. Similarly, sin square B by 2. S minus C, S minus A by CA. S minus A, S minus B by AB. Or in HP. Sin square A by 2, S minus B, S minus C by BC. Sin square B by 2, S minus C, S minus A by CA, sin square C by 2, S minus A, S minus B by AB continue to be in HP. And you know the reciprocals of HP will be in AP. Harmonic progression is defined as reciprocal of AP. So when I have taken reciprocal here, reciprocal here, reciprocal here, this HP will become AP. BC by S minus B, S minus C, CA by S minus C, S minus A, AB by S minus A, S minus B, reciprocals are in AP. Proceeding, please watch carefully. Multiplying by A, multiplying by B, multiplying by C, are in AP. I have already said in one of the previous questions, AP numbers you can multiply by anything, they will still remain in AP. Now cancelling ABC from all, I mean dividing by ABC. Sin square A by 2, sin square B by 2, sin square C by 2 are given to be in HP. Sin A by 2 formula is S minus B, S minus C by BC under root. So sin square A by 2 will be the same without root. S minus B, S minus C by BC. Similarly, sin square B by 2, S minus C, S minus A by CA, S minus A into S minus B by AB are in HP. Now, because reciprocals of HP will be in AP, I am taking reciprocal of this BC by S minus B, S minus C, CA by S minus C, S minus A, AB by S minus A, S minus B. This will now become AP. Because when you take reciprocals of the terms of HP, you will get AP. That is the definition of HP actually. Now, BC by S minus B, S minus C, CA by S minus C, S minus C, AB by S minus A, S minus B are in AP, the reciprocals. Now, I am multiplying this denominator and numerator by A. ABC by S minus B, S minus C. Here I am multiplying by B. This will become ABC by B into S minus C, S minus A. This is multiplied by C and divided by C, ABC, C into S minus A, S minus B. Once again, ABC is a common factor, so from AP I can remove a common factor. I am dividing by AP, you can say 1 by S minus B, S minus C, 1 by S minus C, S minus A, 1 by C into S minus A, S minus B are in AP. Now I am multiplying both by S minus A here. S minus A by A into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Here also I am multiplying by S minus B numerator and denominator. S minus B by B into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. S minus C by C into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. You can see in denominator this is a common factor. S minus A, S minus B, S minus C is a common factor in denominators. I can remove from all denominators this common factor, that is called multiplying by S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. You need not write, they are in AP. So removing this factor from denominators, S minus A by A, S minus B by B, S minus C by C are in AP. Now split here, S by A minus A by A, S by B minus B by B, S by C minus C by C are in AP. This is S by A minus 1, S by B minus 1, S by C minus 1 are in AP. Once again, minus 1 can be removed from all. You can say adding 1 to each term. AP will remain AP, S by A, S by B, S by C are in AP. Cancelling S from all, that is dividing by S. 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C are in HP, which means ABC are in HP, which you are to prove.